Staying at an American hotel. Check in, ask questions, check out. Real-life hotel English conversation practice. Hi there, welcome back to another real-life American English lesson. Today you're going to learn how Americans speak at a hotel front desk. Imagine you just arrived at a hotel after a long trip. Now you need to check in, ask questions about the hotel, use hotel services, and check out professionally. What should you say? That's exactly what you'll practice today. These are real English phrases travelers use every day in American hotels. So listen carefully, repeat every sentence out loud, and practice speaking with confidence. Let's begin. Checking in at the hotel. Hi, I have a reservation under Michael Johnson. Welcome to the Grand City Hotel. Let me pull that up. All right. Yes, I see a reservation here, a double room for 3 nights. That's correct. Perfect. I'll just need a credit card on file for incidentals. Sure, here you go. Thank you. Could I also see your ID, please? Of course, here it is. Great, everything looks good. You're in room 412 on the 4th floor. Awesome. Asking about hotel services. Here are your room keys. Thank you. Is breakfast included with the room? Yes, breakfast is served from 6 to 10 in the dining area downstairs. Perfect. What's the Wi-Fi password? It's guest 2026 with no spaces. Got it. Is there a gym in the hotel? Yes, the fitness center is on the 2nd floor and it's open 24 hours a day. Nice. Is there also a swimming pool? Yes, right next to the gym. Awesome. What time does the pool close? It closes at 10 at night. Perfect. Thanks for all the information. You're very welcome. Asking extra questions. Excuse me, is there room service available? Yes, room service is available until 11 tonight. Great, and is there a convenience store nearby? There's one directly across the street. Perfect. Also, what time is checkout tomorrow? Standard checkout is at 11 in the morning. Okay, is there a late checkout option? Yes, we can extend your checkout until 1 in the afternoon at no extra charge. That would be amazing. I'd really appreciate that. No problem at all. I'll add it to your reservation. Thank you so much. Calling the front desk later. Hello, front desk. How can I help you? Hi, I was wondering if I could get extra towels sent to my room. Of course, we'll send them up right away. Thank you. And one more thing. The air conditioning is making a strange noise. I'm sorry about that. We'll have maintenance check it immediately. I appreciate it. No problem. Is there anything else you need? No, that's all. Thank you for your help. You're welcome. Enjoy your stay. Checking out. Good morning. I'd like to check out, please. Of course. How was your stay? Everything was great. The staff was very friendly. That's wonderful to hear. All right, your final bill has been emailed to you. Perfect. Thank you again for everything. You're very welcome. Safe travels. Thank you. Have a great day. You too. I have a reservation under Michael Johnson, a double room for 3 nights. That's correct. I'll need a credit card on file. Here you go. You're in room 412. Is breakfast included? Yes, from 6 to 10. What's the Wi-Fi password? Guest 2026, no spaces. Is there a gym? Yes, on the second floor. Is there a late checkout option? We can extend to 1 p.m. at no extra charge. Great, I'd like that. Excellent work today. Now you know how to confidently speak English at an American hotel using real-life conversations. And remember, fluent English isn't learned only from textbooks. It's built through real conversations like these. So replay this lesson, repeat every sentence out loud, and practice until speaking feels natural. That's how confidence grows. If this lesson helped you, subscribe for more real-life American English lessons. Comment "Hotel done" if you practice today. And tell me what lesson you want next. TSA security conversation. Taking an Uber in America. Coffee shop English. Hospital conversation. Business meeting English. Keep practicing every single day, and I'll see you in the next lesson.